I'm coming to method. Listen to me very carefully. Try to understand properly. I request everyone again, listen to me carefully and try to concentrate, because you will not find this method in any book. I bet it. बुक में नहीं मिलेगा यार. जितने भी बुक का पन्ने फाड़ लो, नहीं मिलने वाला. Suppose this is the wedge on which the block is kept, and this is a real shortcut technique, will give you tremendous benefit in exam. This is acceleration A. The block is at rest, as said in the question. This is at rest. Now I am asking one question and all of you answer me. What do you think? Name one particular force which is responsible to keep this block at rest. There are normal reaction acting, there are mg acting, pseudo force acting, and all the components are there. Name me one force which is helping to keep this block at rest. So I got many hand. Srijit?
Frictional force.
Friction is not there. It's smooth surface.
Sir, pseudo force.
Pseudo force. Yogananda?
Weight of the body.
No. Weight of the body will put it down. Raja?
Normal force.
Normal force will have a component in the forward direction which will accelerate. Aditya?
Sir, pseudo force.
Pseudo force. Sriram?
Sir, acceleration of the wedge.
No. Joshika?
Sir, pseudo force along x-axis.
Yes. Bigness Mama?
Pseudo force along x-axis.
Okay. Bhanu?
Same, sir.
Pseudo force along x-axis.
तेरा नाम भानु है क्या बे? चलो, fine. I got enough answer. Now I will analyze. Okay. I will clear all the doubts. Those who are thinking it's weight, those who are thinking normal reaction, I will tell. Think about one thing, dost. This is mg direction. No? Yeah, chura. So this is mg. Hey, Bigness, you did not send me the advance marks. Enda vachindi advance?
Sir, I will send you, sir.
Abhi bata. Tell me. Advance? Enta?
42.
जिंदा गाड़ दूंगा भी रुक साले. Out of 60, 42 है. Anyway, it will be increase a little bit. Increasing. Anyway, chalo. Next exam onwards, minimum 55 plus. Qualifying count, that is 50. Qualifying count is 55. Pass mark. Okay, na? So this mg is there. So what is the role of this mg? Tell me. Mg will pull it down. Mg will pull down the body. So it will accelerate. So it is not responsible to keep the body in equilibrium, right? You got it? Right. Those who are thinking about the normal reaction is in which direction? It is in this direction. Acha, it will have a component in the forward direction, no? So what this component will do? Accelerate. Simply. This is n sin theta. It will try to accelerate the body. So this is also not responsible for the state of rest. If the body has to be at rest, there must be a pressing force. The force which will press the body against the surface in contact. Right? No. Suppose you have a vertical wall and you want to keep a book in the vertical wall. How can you keep it? By pressing the book. Correct? So any pressing force will keep a body in equilibrium. So here, what is the pressing force? Only one pressing force is there. Pseudo. Right? Clearly? So I'll write here. Now I am writing the concept. What is the concept? Effectively, pseudo force is responsible for the state of rest. Correct? Clear, no? Got it, everyone? Yogananda?
Sir, but if we consider a normal force along the y-axis in cos theta is equals to mg, then n is equals to mg by cos theta. Directly we will get, no sir.
How will you get? That's what I am explaining now, na? How will you write that? It cannot come arbitrarily, no?
Sir, but they gave that the block will be in stationary. So in order to be stationary, it should be in equilibrium, no sir.
In order to be stationary, it should be in?
Equilibrium, no sir.
Okay, now I will twist your mind. Just wait. This is theta. A block is at rest because of friction. It is a rough surface. Now tell me, what is the normal reaction? As per your logic, it is stationary. So this is n. This must be n cos theta. So this is mg. So here in this case also, n equal to mg by cos theta. Right, Rababu? But no, this is wrong.
Why, sir?
I will come now. That's why physics is so beautiful. Understand this. So I'm writing effectively here, pseudo force is responsible for the state of rest. Now I will write perpendicular to that effective force, F net is equal to 0. This is the premium concept. So whichever force is responsible to keep the body at rest in that perpendicular direction, net force is going to be 0. Now you check in which direction the force is acting here, pseudo force, horizontal direction. It is in this direction, no? Right? So in which direction net force is going to be 0? In this direction net force is going to be 0. So now you think about the block. So for the block, this is normal reaction n. This is theta. This is n cos theta. This is equal to mg. So n cos theta is equal to mg. So n is equal to mg cos theta. Right? Clear? Now, to avoid the conflict of interest, what Yogananda asked. In the second case, tell me, you only tell me, which force do you think that is keeping the object at rest? In this case, is there any pseudo? There is no pseudo. So which force is keeping the object at rest? You can answer me, tell me. Which force is keeping the body at rest? Are a friction force here. So if this is the surface, this is M. So friction is keeping the object at rest. Correct? So what is the direction of friction? Along the wedge surface. So in which direction net force should be 0? Perpendicular to that. So now you see the beauty of physics. This is mg, this is theta, this is mg cos theta. Here in this case, n is equal to mg cos theta, not mg by cos theta. Right? You understood? That is the only one place where physics beat mathematics. What is that? Logical power. Feynman used to say practical logical power. I am not saying the mathematics is impractical, but it is the practical logical power. Everyone understood this? So remember this technique, apply in the exam hall. It will take merely 3 seconds to answer. And remaining all Tom, Dick and Harry in the market, they will develop this equation. After that, they will derive this equation. They will get the result. And the sound that will resonate from the exam hall. Better luck next time. Okay, no? Everyone understood this concept? Is it clear to everyone? Correct? Okay, fine. I will just leave a case for all of you to think upon that will start in the second half. Application 2. What I am doing now, only a slight modification of the case that we have done just now, not much. This is M. In the background, actually, I am getting a louder noise because I am having a very sincere student at my home and she is doing her classes. Okay. If you ask her in which class she is, she will say, I am now promoted to senior. She is in nursery, I think. So, no, not nursery, junior KG. I mean, something maybe. So, but she said it bravely. Okay, I am now promoted. So I can hear the excitement actually. So this is accelerated with capital A, and this one is coming down also with acceleration small a. So small a is the acceleration of the block with respect to the wedge. Okay, so small a is acceleration with respect to the wedge, and the system is given a horizontal acceleration a. So from where you have to analyze the system? Here. You are observing with respect to the wedge. Correct only, na? So I think it is doable. Chalo, before closing the classes, fatafat in 2 minutes, I will just tell what are the forces acting. I mean, you people will tell me only. Downward force, mg, split, mg cos theta. In this direction, mg sin theta. Pseudo, backward, straight back. Small m into capital A. This is also theta. How much? Ma cos theta. This is equal to Ma sin theta. What is the other force? Normal reaction. Job done. Chalo, quickly we'll note down the equation. I mean, these things are very easy things. You have to write the force equation lightning first. So what is the force equation? It is accelerating downward. So along the wedge. Tell me quickly. Along the wedge, force equation. Mg sin theta minus Ma cos theta is equal to M into A. Done na? Clear? Right. Perpendicular to the wedge. Perpendicular to the wedge, no acceleration. So N is equal to mg cos theta plus Ma sin theta. This is equation number 2. All right. Clear? Yogananda?
Forgot to lower my hands.
Okay, fine. No problem. Mr. Pushkar Kale? No, sorry. Shiva.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, over the block, pseudo will not act, sir, because it is accelerating.
Which one, beta?
Sir, over the block M,
Huh.
their pseudo will not act, sir.
Huh, pseudo will act, na? How it does it matter? Whether it is accelerating or not accelerating?
But you haven't mentioned, sir, ME in backward.
I have mentioned here.
That is capital A, sir, small a.
Are pseudo force equal to mass of the body into acceleration of the frame.
Okay, sir.
Got it? I wrote down that mass of the body into acceleration of the frame, not individual acceleration. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Bhanu?
Sir, once explain equation 1, no, sir.
See, Bhanu, in which direction the block is sliding? Downward, na?
Yes, sir.
So along that direction, what is the force? Mg sin theta.
Yes, sir.
What is the force acting opposite to that direction? Ma cos theta.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Understood? Okay. Mr. Pushkar Kale.
सर ये आपने पीडीएफ दिया मेंटेन करे कि हमारे रनिंग नोट्स मेंटेन करे सर?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है बे?
सर आप जो पीडीएफ देते हैं वो मेंटेन करें, आप नोट्स लिखते जाएं.
See, writing the notes is very essential because of practice. Correct?
Sir,
If you
but
write,
आप
if
तो
you
बोल
write,
रहे हो PDF
if you write along with me, then you will get a good practice. This PDF note I am sending is essential for you as a reference material to use for the revision time.
सर आप बहुत फास्ट लिखते हो सर।
कौन, मैं?
हाँ सर।
तो अभी स्पीड तो मेरा देखा ही नहीं भाई। अब भी थोड़ा न्यूटन्स लॉ और फ्रिक्शन ओवर होने दे, उसके बाद तो एकदम दिन में तारे दिखेंगे। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग रैंडमली स्लो इन मैकेनिक्स। This is not a speed. Whenever see I have a very practical suggestion. Whenever you feel something is going against the tide na, see it's a normal thing. Even you can apply for your life also. Whenever you see that if something is going against the tide, don't think that you are being suppressed. Think what not if, then what will happen. Now I will tell what will happen. Just tell me what is today's date?
सर
24th of अगस्त। कितने महीने बचे हैं इस ईयर को फिनिश होने में?
सर और 3-4 महीने।
चलो leave that part also. If I go according to the normal Narayana IZ program schedule, this Super China schedule, if I talk about, we used to touch upon rotational dynamics by Dasera holidays. ठीक है? दशहरा हॉलीडेज किस महीने में होता है? अराउंड अक्टूबर पकड़ के चलते हैं, अराउंड अक्टूबर, कभी सितंबर हो जाता है, कभी अक्टूबर, तो अराउंड अक्टूबर। तो हाउ मेनी मंथ्स आर लेफ्ट आउट? अगस्त तो हो गया, अगस्त तो गॉन, 1 मंथ। अभी हम लोग कहां पे? वी आर इन द मिडिल ऑफ न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन, नॉट इवन फिनिश्ड, वी आर इन द मिडिल ऑफ न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन। कितने चैप्टर हम लोगों को करना है रोटेशन तक पहुंचने में? फ्रिक्शन, सर्कुलर मोशन, वर्क पर एनर्जी, सेंटर ऑफ मास मोमेंटम, कोलिजन। और मैं एक भी चीज और बता देता हूं बेटा, वर्क पर एनर्जी एंड सेंटर ऑफ मास मोमेंटम, कोलिजन, उसका जो वास्टनेस है, इट इज एग्जैक्टली 3 टाइम्स ऑफ न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन, बिकॉज दोज टू आर द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ एंटायर मैकेनिक्स। अभी बता, हम स्लो जा रहे हैं कि फास्ट जा रहे हैं?
सर नहीं, हमारा पोर्शन स्लो जा रहा है सर, बस आप जब लिखते हो ना तब मतलब
करना है दोस्त। आई एम टेलिंग यू कि इवन देयर इज अ ट्रेमेंडस प्रेशर ऑन मी। सी इट्स I am taking that pressure. Nobody is giving that pressure to me, but I am taking the pressure on me. I am really confused right now. Then in what way I must complete in a very precise way so that you all people be in comfortable position at least in mechanics. It's really a very good place because the moment we finish mechanics, उसके बाद जो portion आएगा ना, those are very scoring. So I cannot left them out. Correct? General properties of matter, heat and thermodynamics, they are very scoring in entrance exam. So let's see. करेंगे, डोंट वरी।
ओके ठीक है सर,
चलो,
थैंक यू।
ओके, मिस्टर आकाश कुमार,
सर
प्लीज शेयर योर वैल्यूएबल ओपिनियन।
सर अब तब कब खत्म होगा हमारा सिलेबस?
कर देंगे हम, है ना, तो इतना टेंशन क्यों काहे ले रहा है बे? मैं छोड़ के नहीं जा रहा हूँ तुझे, चिंता मत कर।
ओके सर।
या that is the first thing I am expecting now. If only college starts, then only we can do something, because after the regular hour I will come for the evening and extra time पे class ले करके match up कर देंगे. So let's see. Anyway, चलो bye bye. राजा, quickly 1 minute. Sir is waiting already, I think.
सर अगर इस तरह देखें तो अपन लॉस है ना सर, बहुत ही।
क्या
अपन लॉस में है ना सर, मतलब अभी फर्दर बहुत चैप्टर से करने के।
नहीं, वो कर लेंगे यार। See, always find for the solution, do not search for the problems. See, we have to do those things. Now to do those things, what should we do? That we have to think. समझ गए दोस्त? हमेशा लाइफ में पॉजिटिव सोचो यार। चलो, बाय बाय, बाय एवरीवन, बाय।